Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you the exact reason why I am retiring Sleeker Pro. But before we get there, maybe I should give you a small backstory of what Sleeker Pro is and how it got started. So Sleeker Pro is a Chrome extension. It is made for self-publishers to research keywords on Amazon. I started it back in 2020 when I was going through a course about self-publishing of books on Amazon. I just wanted to make the keyword research process easier on myself. So instead of doing it manually, I just automated a lot of the processes. I then released a free beta version to the users of the Facebook group. From their feedback, I saw that they were very interested in that product. So that's how Sleeker Pro was born. If you haven't watched my first video, make sure you click the link above to watch that one. So why am I retiring a profitable application? So the main reason I am retiring this application is because it became outdated. The course I was following for self-publishing was updated with a new method of keyword research. So the algorithm I had with Sleeker Pro did not apply directly. I had some kind of partnership with the owners of that Facebook group, that is the people who created the course. I had a deal to share my profits with them, but with the new updated course, they didn't want to go that way. They wanted to create their own application. The self-publishing niche itself is pretty small, and I was not making like so much profit from it. My user base was not increasing that much, and I couldn't count on the course owners to promote my product. And since the algorithm for keyword research on my application was getting obsolete, I knew that a lot of users will soon be dropping off. And also, I wouldn't be able to get any new customers. I also have a strong competitor in that niche who has a lot more users than I have. And so he has more resources to keep his app updated. And since that self-publishing niche being very small, there's really no need for two applications to be doing the same things. I am myself not doing any self-publishing, so I kind of lost some interest in that niche. When I started Sleeker Pro, I wanted it to be the official Chrome extension for that course. And that was the reason why I approached the course owners to make it become that official plugin. But since that did not happen, I was not very interested into going forward by updating the algorithm again. So there you have it. That's the main reason why I'm retiring Sleeker Pro. It has been a great adventure for me to develop this application. I've learned so much from it. This has been my first profitable application, but it's time to move on to bigger and newer things. If you want to know on what projects I'll be working on in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. If this video brought you any value, make sure you click the like button for the algorithm. As always, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to reply. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.